Ethereum is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we are testing a very crucial support level once again at 1612. Yesterday was an amazing day in our Telegram channel. We made 37% profits in this trade right here with this massive bearish engulfing candle, and we actually managed to take profit exactly at the bottom of the wick. Of course, I mentioned to you guys many times that the market has been extremely choppy, so we take what's on the table, and as of right now, you can see from yesterday's moveset and today's, we did have a very nice bounce on the 1612 range, but if you guys pay attention here, you can see that we are still rejecting the exponential moving averages. The 9 and the 20 EMAs are starting to push lower and lower, and as you guys already know, the lower they push and the closer we get to testing a major support, we tend to have a massive breakdown formation. We can see the DXY is of course ripping, which is not good news for the crypto market, so this is exactly why we are looking for a possible shorting position down to around that 1560 range. This range of course is very important. You can see from previous price analysis, not only do we have a double top formation, but some traders might also see this as a head and shoulder being formed. Right now we could be in the right shoulder and of course looking for that area to play out and then a stronger continuation to the downside, but in my opinion it is a very choppy range, so I don't necessarily count this as a head and shoulder just yet. What I'm looking for is to see whether or not the 1612 range will break. Of course, if this level is broken, ladies and gentlemen, we could be looking for this massive bar formation to play out on Ethereum. We've been talking about this bar formation for many weeks now because of how large this move that started over here at 1421, and with this manipulation wick, we've pretty much been laddering upwards, but this is not the first time we've actually seen this pattern formation play out. Right now on Ethereum, you can see that we are starting to see multiple bearish engulfing candles. Of course, from a bullish perspective, it's going to be very important for the bulls to try to take control of 1658, but with the DXY pumping, it's going to be extremely hard to get above this range. Of course, if we see on the hourly time frame, you can see that not only are we trading below the EMAs as well, we actually saw a beautiful fake out twice yesterday. Yesterday's moveset, you can see we actually managed to go ahead all the way up to 1658. This was pure manipulation. You can tell from the candlestick range, obviously, as soon as we broke that wick opportunity and then a stronger continuation upwards, we immediately saw the rejection, and this was the entry that we actually managed to take for that beautiful take profit level. Now, of course, we saw our take profits taken yesterday, and then I mentioned the fact that we could be looking for another pullback. But if you notice the fact that Ethereum is starting to create these lower highs, we have to be very careful here. The lower time frames can tell you a lot more than, of course, the higher time frames, but it's better to take those entries on the 4-hour zone. The 4-hour is telling us right now that Ethereum is looking to retest our 1612 level once again. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to this range and seeing whether or not we can finally get a breakdown formation. Of course, this range has become extremely choppy, but what I'm waiting for is to see 1612 break, retest it as resistance, and then the confirmation to the downside. I can't stress this enough, guys. We have to see the confirmation in terms of resistance before we start looking for the area of opportunity. But you can see from previous price, this is not the first time we actually saw a massive breakdown formation. This was one 4-hour candlestick going all the way down to 1532, and this is exactly what I am waiting for to see whether or not this area plays. Of course, this becomes very dangerous once we enter the 1518 range, because then we know the fact that the overall bar formation could definitely play out on Ethereum. In terms of the daily time frames, we also have another flashing signal. You can see that the 20 exponential moving average is getting closer and closer to our support level, and 9 times out of 10 this level does act as a strong magnet. I would not be surprised if we actually manage to see a wick opportunity going down to around 1580 and then a continuation upwards, or of course if we manage to break below the exponential moving averages, then a clean move to the downside could definitely happen. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.